Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. And in just one moment there is no self, there are no others, it is the way that it is. We are spontaneously realized. This is beyond being an objective. Self-originating blessings are most astounding. This is called the value of the awareness that brings all things together. We see what it means to be liberated from a self. We clearly reach an end. The conceptions in our thoughts are exhausted in a single moment. If we understand for certain that all these things, with none excepted, are just our minds, we see our own minds. We have won, but this is not our thought. We use specific ways to release meanings from symbols so that we see how it is with the thing to be cleansed and the act of cleansing it. Then we abide in a reward that is beyond any other. We certainly do abide in a clarity that encompasses all things, but if the act of cleansing does not have its conditions, we will not meet up with what it means to be self-originating. The sun does not rise without position. These are like the ornaments of a blind king. This resembles the way that the total fantasy that is samsara has dwelt within the uncontrived Dharmakāya from the beginning. We go to our own end, to ourselves and by ourselves. We empower ourselves with our own resolve. Just so, we are perfected in ourselves. Who else do we need? The vision of a house of treasure is like this. There is nothing that is really there. Those who lack vajra speech, and who do not have resolve regarding being without stages, will use the validations of a demarcated language for a single moment, but they fail. They will not find certitude. A yogin who forever imbibes empowerment and transmission at the lotus feet of his guru, with provisions that will please him in advance, will know the meaning of this perfect secret. We use a vase to imbibe. We gather the clear elixir. This is how we know the face of our guru. We understand what this means. We understand everything. In a single moment, we know it in true clarity.